Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the Jules Glider Gun in Super Pit. First, you'll need to pinpoint the Super Pit on your map. This area presents unique challenges, so it's crucial to be prepared. Expect to face several enemies, so ensure your loadout is ready for action. Knowing the layout and potential threats will give you a significant advantage as you begin your quest. Once you've located the Super Pit, head towards its primary entrance. The path inside can be winding, so pay close attention to your surroundings. Stick to the main route to avoid getting lost or encountering unnecessary detours. Always be on the lookout for environmental hazards and cleverly placed traps that could hinder your progress. Careful navigation is key to success here. Your ultimate goal is to confront Jules herself. This will be a strategic battle, so plan your moves carefully. Make sure to use available cover to your advantage and deploy your special abilities at opportune moments. Once you successfully defeat Jules, the glider gun will be yours for the taking. It's a rewarding challenge that pays off with a powerful new item. With the glider gun in hand, you can now master its unique flight mechanics. This incredible tool allows for rapid traversal across the map, giving you a significant tactical advantage in various situations. Practice using it to navigate difficult terrain or surprise your opponents from above. It truly changes how you move and engage. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, make sure to check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.